Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, today there was an update for Google Chrome for security. Now, the thing about it is that we're not really sure what the security flaws are exactly. The blog post says that they will be posted eventually, but they're still not there. I waited a few hours. I thought maybe they're going to be here by the end of the day, but they really didn't show up. So we know it's security. So there's a number of security updates in here. How many? Anyone's guess. I'll be looking at it tomorrow. At some point, they're going to talk about it. And anyways, when I talk about Edge or the Chromium browsers that also will probably have the same security updates, I'll mention the number of updates. So go to the upper right corner, three vertical dots, help about Google Chrome. Here you will be updated to 147.0.7727.117 or 116, depending on the version that you have of the operating system. So this is a security update for Chrome. It is the weekly security updates. So this, of course, keeps you safe. It's the most important way to stay safe is to have all of these security updates applied. We'll check out what's going to be in there. If there's anything important, maybe a 0 day or anything, of course, I will make another video. But if it's just standard, a certain number of high or moderate security flaws, I'll talk about it in the video for Edge, which will also be updated. Just like your Chromium-based browsers like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on. These are all Chromium, and most of the security updates, of course, are Chromium-based. So, update for Google Chrome and its security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.